Hello, Willie Stultz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2014 Hino 268A. It's an air brake truck. It's 25,950 GVW, so it is under CDL. Before we jump into that walk around though, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So every time we put new equipment online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from a leasing department, which this truck came from, or for our customers' trade-ins. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, the bodies, engine, transmission, fluids, brakes, tires. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC on them, clean up, test drive, get them online for y'all to take a look at. As we said, this is a 2014 Hino 268A. It's an air brake truck. And on top of the 150-point check, we have done the service on it. And this truck is pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb in, plenty of grab handles to get in. This truck has a nice air suspension captain's chair for the driver. We got a two-person bench seat. You have the outward visibility and the upward visibility pretty good with the sloped hood that the Hino has. We've got the AM/FM CD radio. We've got air conditioning, cruise control. This truck also, the large mirrors on the cab are power, so the driver can adjust the large mirrors without having to get out of the truck and do it. Nice safety option. And they're also heated, so in extremely cold weather, if they're iced up or whatever, they can get that ice and snow off of them. And even though this is a 2014 year model truck, it was very well taken care of. So you can see that it'll be a nice, clean, safe ride for you guys to start making you money with going down the road. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you buy Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and the reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, they're beat up. This truck is in really good shape. It's an aluminum 26 foot. It's got a nice side door in it with the stirrup step on it. This is a Southern truck with good rubber on it. Not a whole lot of rust. This particular truck has got a large aluminum platform lift gate on it. And it's also got a really nice 13-foot pull-out ramp that you can use with the lift gate up, so you can use one or the other to load or unload your product. It is a level ride gate on the tuckaway, so it is perfectly flat going up and down. It gets up to the top, meets up just like it should. Like we said, this is a 26, 103 tall, 102 wide. It's got the E-track down both sides. It's got plywood with scuff on the front with Apatong slats and slats on the side with the scuff. The aluminum roof's in good shape. It's got a nice LED dome light in there. And the laminated hardwood floor has had some patches, but it is still in really good shape for this year model truck, ready to start making you money. It's a power down lift gate also, which makes it nice. It gets to the bottom, let it down, you can unload your product off the lift gate. The pull-out ramp. You get it out, it's in really good shape, so you can use that also. And like I say, that can be used in lieu of the lift gate while it's in the stowed position. Even though this is a 2014 year model truck, the body's in really good shape, so you can still put that wrap on it for you. Your name, your phone number, your design, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. Again, 2014 Hino 268 air brake truck, 25,950 GVW. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so when we put new product on, you can take a look at it. Hang with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of it, And as always, we do appreciate your time.